Hello everyone, I am Muzamil and welcome to this brand new series Python for Data Science. In this course, we will start from very basics of Python and slowly move toward real-world data science like data analysis, visualization and machine learning models. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to channel and press the bell icon button so you will never miss any upcoming lectures. Also, don't forget to like this video, it really motivates me to keep creating free learning content for you. So let's start today's lecture. Python basics for data science. So our first problem is why learn Python for data science. The reasons are easy to learn readable syntax like other programming languages like C++, C Sharp. There are too much complex syntax, but Python has very easy to learn and readable syntax, huge community support, rich ecosystem like because Python contains many libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib for visualization and scikit-learn for machine learning models. Industry standard for AI/ML because in AI and ML, Python are widely used in the industry. So setting up the environment. So we will use in this lecture we will use Google Colab because this is free and cloud-based, no need setup. Just need a Google account because everyone has a Gmail account, so there is no problem. Supports Python G, Python 3, GPU and TPU. Can save notebooks in Google Drive and also you can download in your systems. So first program in Python. Let's start the demo work. So this is our first program. In this code we just write print bracket inverted commas hello world. So in Python for printing we just use this keyword that is Python print, but like C++ we want to include many libraries at the startup and then main function and cout then brackets and very complex syntax, but in Python this is just one line print bracket and everything you want to write in this between the inverted commas it will be printed like hello. We check Python. So there are two options in Google Colab for execution. First, click on this button, and other one is Shift plus Enter. But we use this button. So check. Hello Python, it will print. Now move next step of this lecture. The next part of this lecture is variable in Python. Variables store values. Variables are just like containers. Okay. No need to declare any data type because Python is a rich language. You don't need to include any data type because Python itself detects what the data type is. Naming rules start with letters and underscore can contain letters, number, underscore. Cannot start with number. This is a rule of the Python. Everyone you want to make variable, you cannot start with number. You can use letter or underscore can contain letters. Yes, numbers can contain between the letters or underscore, but you can never start with number. Now come towards the variable example. This one is our variable in Python. So the first variable we create is name, name. This is the variable in Python that we create by ourselves and we store the value Muzamil because it is a string. Okay, this is the age. This is the integer variable. This contains digit value age. This is another variable and we store age is equal to 25. This is the height. This is a floating value, decimal value 5.9. So display, we want to display, so we again use like I already told you that print statement is used for printing. So name comma this name is same to copy as this place, so it will print the name. Add similar age, then age, height. Now execute this again. So this name is this and we store this name is equal to Muzamil and this is Muzamil. and this is age, we can just printing, and this is age, and this is age 25, print height, and then height is 5.9. Now let's move the next part of this lecture. Data types in Python: numbers, int, float, strings are used for text values, boolean are used for condition checking, true if the condition is true or false. List tuple dictionary is covered later, this is advanced, so we will cover in after these lectures. Data types with comments in Python. Basically, comments are used in Python or other programming language for easily readable code. If anyone opens your code, so he will read your code and understand your code in easy way, because if you write a line of code, you can add a comment, so the reader can easily understand what the code doing. Useful for documentation. So this is our first module 1, where we cover first program, this is hello world, variables, we also check data types and comments. Coming up for next module, Python operators, expressions and calculations, hands-on coding with arithmetic, comparison and logic operator. Great job completing module 1. Let's move forward to module 2, operators and expression. Thank you.